Welcome to the world of precision alignment, the first step to becoming your own mechanic marvel. Today, we're peeling back the curtains on a technique that's a well-kept secret among professional mechanics. It's all about achieving perfect wheel alignment with a little help from an unexpected tool, a simple laser pointer. Now, you might be wondering, how does a laser pointer fit into the picture? Well, it's all about the principle of straight lines and reference points. You see, a laser beam travels in a perfectly straight line, and by projecting it onto your wheel and using a few carefully placed reference points, you can determine the exact alignment of your wheel. So how does it work? It's easier than you might think. All you need is a laser pointer, some kind of mount to hold it steady, and a few reference points. You'll start by mounting the laser pointer so it's aimed directly at the wheel. Then, you'll mark a few reference points on the wheel and the ground. These will come in handy later on. Next, you're going to turn the wheel slowly, keeping an eye on the laser beam. As the wheel turns, the laser beam will move, and you'll be able to see if it lines up with your reference points. If it doesn't, your wheel alignment is off. But don't worry, that's where the real magic comes in. By adjusting the wheel alignment until the laser beam lines up with your reference points, you can achieve precision alignment that's on par with professional standards. And the best part? You've done it all yourself, with just a laser pointer and a bit of ingenuity. Remember, precision alignment isn't just about making your car look good, it's also about safety and performance. A car with properly aligned wheels will handle better, have longer tire life, and be safer to drive. So, you're not just becoming a mechanic marvel, you're also becoming a safer, more responsible car owner. See, with a bit of ingenuity, you too can achieve professional-grade wheel alignment. Stay tuned for our next segment, where we'll be diving into another exciting life hack from the world of mechanics. Until then, happy aligning. Moving on, let's turn those foggy headlights into sparkling gems. Picture this. You're all set for an evening drive, but as you turn on the headlights, they emit a dull, foggy light. Frustrating, isn't it? Well, no need to worry anymore because we have a surprising life hack that will restore your headlights to their former glory. And the best part? You don't need any fancy, expensive products. All you need is a tube of toothpaste. Yes, you heard it right, toothpaste. Toothpaste is not just for brightening your smile, it can also be used to remove oxidation from your car's headlights. The secret lies in its mildly abrasive nature. Toothpaste is designed to scrub away plaque and stains from your teeth, and it can work similar magic on your headlights. So let's dive in and see how to make those headlights sparkle. Start by giving the headlights a good clean. Use warm water and a mild detergent to remove any dirt and grime. Once you've done that, it's time to bring in the star of the show, toothpaste. Ensure to use a toothpaste that contains baking soda, as this ingredient is particularly effective at removing oxidation. Squeeze a generous amount of toothpaste onto a clean, damp cloth. Then, apply the toothpaste to the headlight, using circular motions to rub it in. As you scrub, you'll notice the toothpaste changing color, turning a dirty brown. This is a good sign, as it means the toothpaste is lifting the oxidation from the headlight. Keep scrubbing until the toothpaste is evenly distributed across the headlight. Then, let the toothpaste sit for a while, say 5 to 10 minutes, to allow it to work its magic. Once the time is up, rinse off the toothpaste with warm water. You might need to give it a good scrub to get all the toothpaste off, but once you do, you'll be amazed at the transformation. The dull, foggy headlight is now clear and bright, almost like new, but we're not quite done yet. To protect the newly restored headlight, apply a layer of car wax. This will seal the surface and prevent oxidation from returning, keeping your headlight sparkling for longer. This toothpaste hack is not just a quick fix, it's a sustainable solution. It's affordable, easy to do, and the results are truly impressive. It's a clear demonstration that sometimes the most effective solutions are right there in your home. So the next time your headlights start to look a bit foggy, don't rush to the mechanic or shell out for expensive restoration kits. Reach for your trusty tube of toothpaste and restore those headlights to their sparkling best. Who knew toothpaste could do more than just brighten your smile? But remember, just like brushing your teeth, maintaining sparkling headlights is not a one-time thing. It's something you'll need to keep up with to ensure your headlights remain clear and bright. Happy driving! Next, we'll tackle the dreaded car body scratch and send it packing. Picture this, a sunny afternoon, your prized car gleaming in the driveway, and then your heart sinks. You spot a scratch on the bodywork. But worry not, we're about to introduce a genius life hack that'll make that scratch disappear. Professional mechanics have a secret. They use a combination of heat and cold to repair minor paint scratches, and the tools they use will surprise you. Yes, they're using a hairdryer and a can of compressed air. Sounds crazy, right? But you'll be astounded by the results. Here's how it works. The mechanic starts by heating the scratched area with the hairdryer. The heat causes the paint to expand and become pliable. It's a delicate process. Too much heat can cause further damage, but just the right amount can work wonders. Once the area is warm and the paint has expanded, it's time for the next step: cooling it down rapidly. This is where the can of compressed air comes in. Compressed air is super cold when it comes out of the can. The mechanic sprays it onto the heated area, causing a rapid temperature drop. This sudden cold shock makes the paint contract swiftly. As it contracts, the scratch effectively pops out, leaving the surface smooth once again. It's a quick and cost-effective method to repair minor scratches without resorting to expensive paint jobs. So, the next time you spot a scratch on your car, don't despair. Reach for your hairdryer and a can of compressed air. Warm up the area, give it a quick blast of cold, and watch as the scratch vanishes before your eyes. It's not magic, it's science, and now it's a trick you know too. Remember, practice makes perfect. Start with a small, inconspicuous scratch to get the hang of it. Once you've mastered the technique, you'll be ready to tackle any scratch that comes your way. Just like that, scratches are no longer a problem. Now, let's breathe new life into your car's interior. Have you ever stepped into a car that's been through a few too many road trips, and the upholstery speaks volumes about the adventures it's seen? You might think it's a lost cause, but fear not. Our professional mechanic is about to reveal an extraordinary life hack that could save you a trip to the professional cleaners and some hard-earned cash. Let's start by understanding the problem at hand. Over time, car interiors can become a magnet for dirt, dust, and grime. Spilled drinks, food crumbs, pet hair. These are just a few of the culprits that can turn a once plush interior into something less desirable. And while vacuuming does help, it's often not enough to tackle those stubborn stains and ingrained dirt. So what's the solution? A homemade upholstery cleaner, a simple concoction of household ingredients that can effectively clean and refresh the car's seats and upholstery. And the best part? It's inexpensive, easy to make, and incredibly effective. All you need is a quarter cup of white vinegar, half a cup of warm water, and a tablespoon of dish soap. Mix these ingredients together in a spray bottle, and voila, your homemade upholstery cleaner is ready for action. The vinegar in the solution acts as a natural disinfectant and deodorizer, eliminating any unpleasant odors. The dish soap, on the other hand, is a gentle cleaner that works wonders on stubborn stains, and the warm water helps to dissolve the dirt and grime. To use this cleaner, simply spray it onto the upholstery, making sure to cover the entire area evenly. Let it sit for a few minutes to allow the solution to penetrate the fabric and break down the dirt. Then, using a soft bristle brush, gently scrub the fabric in a circular motion. This will help to lift the dirt and stains from the fabric, leaving it clean and refreshed. Once you've scrubbed the entire area, use a clean, dry towel to blot the fabric, absorbing any excess moisture and dirt, and there you have it, an upholstery that looks and smells as good as new. Remember, this homemade cleaner is not just for car seats. It can also be used on other fabric surfaces in your car, like the carpet, door panels, and even the headliner. A word of caution though, before you go ahead and spray your entire car, it's always a good idea to do a patch test on an inconspicuous area to ensure the fabric responds well to the cleaner. With this hack, your car's interior can always be in its prime. And isn't that a marvelous thought? With just a few household ingredients and a bit of elbow grease, you can keep your car's interior looking and smelling fabulous. So, go ahead, unleash your hidden abilities and transform your car's interior from shabby to showroom-worthy. Finally, let's make your car shine like never before. We're about to dive into the final hack of our DIY mechanic marvel journey, a technique that will make your car's exterior smooth as glass. This is the clay bar technique. Now you might be wondering, a clay bar? Isn't that for pottery or sculpting? Well, yes, but it's also a secret weapon in the professional mechanic's detailing arsenal. This little-known hack can transform your car's exterior from dull and rough to radiant and smooth. Let's break it down. When you run your hand over your car's paintwork, it might feel rough even if it looks clean. That's because contaminants like dust, grime, and even tiny metal particles can get embedded in the paint. Washing and waxing alone won't remove these stubborn impurities. That's where our trusty clay bar comes in. The clay bar is a specially designed resin compound that's safe for your car's paint. When you glide it over your car's surface, it picks up and removes those pesky contaminants, leaving behind a smooth, glass-like finish. It's like exfoliating your skin, but for your car. Here's how you do it. First, you need to thoroughly wash and dry your car dirt. Then, you spray a small area with a clay lubricant to prevent any scratches. Now gently glide the clay bar over the lubricated area. You'll feel the clay bar grabbing at first, but as it picks up the contaminants, it'll start to glide smoothly. Work in small sections and remember to frequently knead and reshape the clay bar to expose a clean surface. If you drop the clay bar, don't use it again, as it might pick up tiny particles that could scratch your paint. Just grab a new one. Once you're done with the entire car, wipe it down with a microfiber towel to remove any remaining lubricant. Finally, apply a coat of your favorite wax to seal and protect the paint. Now run your hand over your car's paintwork. It should feel as smooth as glass, and there you have it, a car that's smooth as glass. With this clay bar technique, you can achieve a professional detailing finish at home, adding that extra sparkle to your car and preserving its paintwork. So why not give it a try? You might just be amazed at how good it feels to unleash your inner mechanic marvel and keep your car looking its best. After all, a well-maintained car isn't just about what's under the hood. It's also about that radiant, glass-like finish that turns heads wherever you go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell to notified for the next exciting posts. Please leave comment and like to be encouraged to continue.